So in data analysis part, we will go. So again, here also cleaning, transforming, and modeling the data is taking place. Okay, and then questioning data to find useful information. Okay, so all these are also a part of analytics, right? We have simply seen like ETL, but inside that also this process will take place. Okay, so output can be represented in visualization format, and based on that action can be taken. So again, here also in visualization, either you will be using some plot, okay, graphical representation, everything we can use. Okay, yes. Okay. So here modeling means, okay, we will be creating some application kind of things. So each time you don't need to do the same thing again and again. We will create one model and we will feed what are the steps to be taken place. So whenever a new data comes, this model will be automatically extracting the information. All these things will happen automatically. So basically it is creating some automation task. Okay. Like how we will be creating in Excel macros and all we will be creating, right? So next time a new data is coming means we will just run the macros. So it will do the all the steps one by one. So similar kind of things. Okay. When you go to machine learning part, modeling means it is bit different. Okay, we will be training the algorithm, feeding the data into our algorithm, and passing some new value and checking whether it is predicting accurately or not. So those things will come in the machine learning part. That modeling is different.